students, welcome to the session of sets. In this section, we will go through some practical problems related to our daily life. Practical problems on union and intersection of two sets. Now we are going to derive the formula. Okay, I think you well known about sets. The first rectangular part is universal set. The universal set is usually represented by a rectangle. The elements of a set may be marked as points inside the circle. Suppose the first set is A and the second set is B. This common part is A intersection B. This first value is A minus B and the second value is B minus A. So now we are going to derive the formula. Okay, if A and B be finite sets. Okay, how can we write n of A union B? N of means that is cardinality of sets. N of A union B equal to, how can we write this value? N of A minus B plus N of A intersection B plus N of B minus A. Actually, N of A union B equal to N of A minus B plus N of A intersection B plus N of B minus A. A union B means this full part. So, we have to take A minus B part and A intersection B part, then B minus A part. Now, we have to write this same value, we have to mention N of A minus B plus N of A intersection B. Okay, then N of B minus A plus N of A intersection B minus N of A intersection B. Okay, we have to write this value same as N of A minus B plus N of A intersection B plus N of B minus A plus N of A intersection B minus N of A intersection B. Okay, now we have to write N of A minus B plus N of A intersection B. How can we write this value? That is N of A. Next, N of B minus A plus N of A intersection B. This whole part is actually N of B. Next one value is minus N of A intersection B. So, what is the formula for N of A union B? N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Here you have to know A minus B, A intersection B and B minus A are disjoint. And their union is actually A union B. N of A union B means number of elements in the set A union B. That is actually cardinality of A union B. Okay. How can we write N of A union B again? If A and B are finite sets. Okay. So, we have to write N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B. Then we have to write this A intersection B equal to empty means directly we have to write N of A union B equal to N of A plus N of B. That time A intersection B value is empty. Okay. Next third one, N of A union B union C. Okay. Suppose A, B and C are finite sets. Then N of A union B union C is equal to N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus N of A intersection B minus N of B intersection C minus N of C intersection A plus N of A intersection B intersection C. This is very important. We have to use three sets means we have to write N of A union C is equal to N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus N of A intersection B minus N of B intersection C minus N of C intersection A plus N of A intersection B intersection C. Now next we are going to discuss some problems. Next problem. If x and y are two sets such that n of x is equal to 17, n of y equal to 23 and n of x union y is equal to 38. Find n of x intersection y. Okay. First we have to take the given values. What is given? N of x is equal to 17, n of y is equal to 23. N of x union y is equal to 38. We have to find the value n of x intersection y. Okay. By using the formula, what is the formula? N of x union y is equal to n of x plus n of y minus minus n of x intersection y. Okay, apply the values. What is the x union y value? That is 38. N of x value 17, n of y value 23, minus n of x intersection y. Interchange the values. We need a n of x intersection y value only, no? So we have to move this value to LHS. So n of x intersection y is equal to 17 plus 23. LHS value 38 move to RHS, so minus 38. What is the value? 40 minus 38. So 40 minus 38, that is 2. So n of x intersection y value is 2. Next problem. In a survey of 400 students in a school, 100 were listed as taking apple juice, 150 as taking orange juice, and 75 were listed as taking both apple as well as orange juice. Find how many students were taking neither apple juice nor orange juice. These are the given details. Okay, first we have to take what is the first value given? In a survey of 400 students in a school. So the total number of students is 400. So we have to take, that is universal set value. So n of u is equal to 400. This is universal set value. What is the next one? We have to take orange and apple, two juice details are given now. So we have to take the first apple juice value A and orange juice value B. Okay. A denote the set of students taking apple juice. So what is the A value? N of A value, that is 100. And the next one, B, we have to take orange juice only. So what is the N of B value? That is 150. What is the next given value? 75 were listed as taking both juice. Both means we have to take, that is intersection value. So N of A intersection B value is equal to 75. These are the given details. Finally, we have to calculate how many students were taking neither apple nor orange juice. That is, neither means we have to take N of A dash intersection B dash. This one is we have to calculate. How can we write N of A dash intersection B dash? Directly we have to take N of A dash intersection B dash is equal to N of A union B the whole dash. Okay. How can we write N of A union B the whole dash? N of U minus N of A union B. Neither apple nor orange juice means we have to take N of A dash intersection B dash. This only we have to calculate. We have to write N of A dash intersection B dash is equal to N of A union B the whole dash. How can we write N of A union B the whole dash? N of U minus N of A union B. Now we have to apply the formula here. What is the N of A union B formula? N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Okay. Apply the values. What is the universal set value? That is 400. Minus N of A value 100. N of B value 150. What is the common value? 75. 400 minus 100 plus 150, 250. 250 minus 75, what is the value? 175. So 400 minus 175, what is the answer? 225. Okay, that's all. Next problem. In a group of 70 people, 37 like coffee, 52 like tea, and each person likes at least one of the two drinks. How many people like both coffee and tea? That is our question. We have to take, actually universal set denote the set of people, that is whole total number of people. Universal set means that is N of U value is 70. Total number of people is 70. The next one, we have to take A is coffee and B is tea. Okay. So A denote the set of people who like coffee. That is A value is coffee. So we have to take N of A value is 37. And B denote the set of people who like tea. That is N of B value also given 52. Okay, these are the given values. Another one detail, and each person likes at least one of the two drinks. How many people like both coffee and tea? That is our question. Both means we have to calculate the common value. by using the formula. What is our formula? N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. This is our formula. What is the whole value given? Total number of persons, that is 70. N of A value 37. N of B value 52. We have to calculate N of A intersection B. So we have to interchange the value to LHS. So plus N of A intersection B is equal to 37 plus 52. Change the plus 70 value to RHS. So minus 70. 37 plus 52. What is the value? 89. 89 minus 70 is equal to, what is the answer? 19. So 19% like both coffee and tea. That's all.